this video, we're going to talk about if we like our washer-dryer combo.
Does it save us money?
Does it save us time? Is it convenient?
Kindly move over, please, darling.
We have the Splendide 2100 XC series. I'm really enjoying this washer-dryer combo. This one's specifically made for RVs and boats. It roughly uses about 9 to 16 gallons of water per cycle. It has 3 different cleaning cycles. It has cotton heavy duty, permanent press, and gentle. And both of these have express modes. So when you have those days when you just need a extra pair of underwear, they got you covered. What I love about it is it's all color coded. They also let you choose the wash temperature of the water and the dry time. They have these extra features here at the top, and it's pretty self-explanatory. This is an extra capacity. It's larger than any of their other ones. It does about half the size of your normal washer at home would do. Really cool features about this washer-dryer combo. You can see right here it's extra capacity. It has 10 wash cycles, 3 dry cycles, 1200 RPM high spin, and auto balance system, which it has to be high spin because it's high efficiency and it doesn't use a ton of water, which is really great. And it does have to have a dedicated plug, as you see here. You can just set it and forget it and walk away and come home and have nice, clean, dry clothes. We didn't have to put on the braces that you normally see at the bottom here because it's such a lovely fit. Our fifth wheel would not have room for a stackable washer and dryer because of the way the closet is. So we had experience with this one in the past and decided to go with it again.
So let's talk about cost. Our machine costs $1,000 installed. Now we did pricing beforehand. Sometimes you can buy these machines at your local box store, but it was well worth the price to have them install it, as this machine does come vented and to do all of that work.
One of the downsides, it does leave sheets and things like that quite wrinkled. T-shirts as well. If you just wash it and set it to dry and forget it and you come back a couple hours later, like if you're gone for the day, it definitely will leave your things wrinkled up.
The average American household does about 6 to 8 loads of laundry per week, and we do about 3 to 4 depending on how much we have that week, or if we gave the dogs a bath or things like that, or if it was bedding that week or things. So we spend about $2 a load. That's just in the first year. So we've talked about our washer-dryer combo. If we liked it, that's a yes. Is it convenient? Absolutely. So much better than going to the laundromat and carrying all your stuff there and back and hoping that the washers are clean because you don't know what was in it before you got there. And having to spend all that money on loads. The highest I ever paid was $425 for a machine they said that was a double capacity. That's the same size as my machine. So it's much more convenient. It saves money, saves time. So for us, this is the way to go. This machine really has been through the ringer and back. We have really put it through its paces, finding out if this is going to work for us, and we love it. We would definitely recommend it to you, and we want to know what you think. Are you in the market for a washer-dryer combo? Do you have one? Do you like it? I really want to hear what you have to say about it and what you think. Where are you in the RV process? Are you thinking about RVing? We want to come alongside you, even if you have been RVing or if you're in the RV world. We want to come alongside you, show you different things that work or don't work for us, what we like and what we don't like, and just be honest with you and share our life and our story with you. Check out our other videos coming soon. We have a couple on our channel right now. We have some cooking videos, and we have when we went to Dallas to visit the JFK Memorial site. And soon we're going to be doing some of our favorite must-haves for the RV and what we would recommend you have too.